Hello guys, in this video we are going to discuss the solution of the problem A of weekly contest 370. It is mentioned that in this problem there are n teams numbered from 0 to n minus 1 participating in a tournament. They have given us a 0 index 2D Boolean matrix grid of size n into n, so it is a square matrix for all ij such that ij less than or equal to n minus 1 and greater than or equal to 0 and I not equal to j. Team I is stronger than team j if grid I of j is equal to 1. Otherwise, team j is stronger than I. Team A will be champion of the tournament if there is no team B that is stronger than team A. So they have given us that if grid I of j is equal to 1, I is stronger than j. If it is equal to 0, j is stronger than I. So we have to find the champion of the tournament, and there always exists a champion. A champion is such that there is no j such that uh, so suppose A is the champion. A is the champion. A will be the champion if there is no B such that grid of A B is equal to 1. So we will explore some of the test cases here. They have also mentioned that we don't have to check when I not I is equal to j. Uh, so they have always mentioned that we have to only check the conditions I not equal to j. So we can avoid the indices where I is equal to j. Here I is equal to j, so we don't have to consider that. Here the index is 0, 1. In 0, 1, the grid of ij is equal to 1. So it means that 0 is stronger than 1. Here, this is 1, 0, index 1, 0. Grid of 1, 0 is equal to 0. It means that 1 is weaker than 0. Likewise, here the index is 0, 0, so we don't have to consider that. Here the index is 1, 0, 0, 1, so 0 is weaker than 1. Here the index is 0, 2, so 0 is greater than stronger than 2. Here the index is 1, 0, so 1 is greater than 0. Here the index is 1, 1, so we don't have to consider it's the same index because if the same index, a team can't be greater than or so stronger than itself. Okay, so that's why we are not considering the same index. Here the index is 1, 1, 2, and grid of ij is equal to 1, so it means that 1 is stronger than 2. So you get the idea, right? You get how the grid 2D metrics have been defined. So the solution will be such that okay, so we have to go through all these rows in the grid that they have given. So this is the you know the array showing what is the outcome when 0 the participant 0 participates uh, uh, participates with all the other participants. So here when 0 participates with, he is 0, what's the correct term? No, 0, let's say 0 fights with 0 fights with 1, 0 loses. 0 fights with 0 fights with 1, 0 wins. And here when 1 fights with 0, 1 wins. 1, and when 1 fights with 2, 1 wins. So in this case, whomever 1 fights, 1 wins. So we can say that one never loses in this contest and never loses in this tournament. So team 1 will be the champion. They have let's just go to a definition again. Team A will be the champion of the tournament if there is no team B that is stronger than team A. Here there is no team B that is stronger than team A. Since one wins all the tournaments, we can safely assume that there is no team B that is stronger than team A. We don't have to consider this index because it's the same index when one fights it itself, so we don't have to consider that. Actually the code is very simple. What we have to do is that so we have to iterate through every rows. So these are the rows. This is the first row. This is second row. This is the third row. And we have to count uh, how many battles. Yeah, battles will be the correct term. Battles uh, uh, does the ith row win? So we can increment the count. If grid of I of j is equal to 1, we can increment the count. And if the number of battles that I wins will be greater than n minus 1, greater than or equal to n minus 1, uh, actually we can give this condition as equal to double equal to n minus 1, and it will also it's also fine. We will return the champion, return I, because like if a person wins more than n minus 1 battles, he is the champion. So we are returning that. That's it. So when we run this code, uh, and we submit this code, it works. It's accepted. It's accepted solution. Yeah, that's it. That's the solution.